G'day ladies and gentlemen, well, I bring you this video talking about altcoins. Stick around to the end, I'm going to show you, well not just the end, throughout this whole thing I'm going to show you a watch list that I created in my community today, this afternoon, trades that I'm stalking for breakouts because your alt portfolio might be about time to have a good leg up following on from the probable move higher last week. So first things first, let's talk about Bitcoin because Bitcoin is our king. It's pulled back into what I call the cradle zone. It's broken the high. Things are looking really good for a continuation to the upside. Failing that, if it does fail that, I'll get stopped out. I'll make a loss on a long that I have on Bitcoin. Failing that, I'll be waiting for a pullback in something around 114. I'll possibly even a little bit deeper. But that's Bitcoin. I am long currently Bitcoin with margin. That's what I do. I'm a trader. Been doing this for 20 years and I like this trade. But we're talking about alts here. We're talking about the rest of the market where opportunity is abundant at the moment. And I hope that that long continues because what we've got right now, let me just take you to the correct time frame that I want to look at here. Of course, this is total 2, which is the entire market cap minus Bitcoin. So we're sitting at about 1.34 trillion. This is the chart that if you've been following what I've been saying for a little while, it's put a higher low in now and a higher high. That's exactly what I was hoping to see to get stuck right into the alt trading side of things. Here is the beautiful part of today and talking about breakouts. Have a look at this. Here we have this same chart, total 2. Look at this, test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4. It's just broken out. Now, it's not to mean it's not going to pull back from here, but we've got resistance right there right now. And a lot of the alts are looking very similar to total 2. How do I know that how do I know that they look like that? Well, I've already gone and done a scan and found a whole bunch there. Let me show you what they are. Now, for breakouts, so these are 3 trades that myself and my community are in. All beyond, well, I'm actually, these are all past their first target, but they're cradle trades. This is a breakout. Have a look what I'm stalking. So no trade yet. I am not in these ones right here, right now. These are trades that I am watching, and you can watch too, should you desire to do so. Watching this building 2 test, I need at least a third there, but with this comma, I don't know what it's called. I couldn't care less. I don't even care what this project claims to do. It makes no difference to me as a trader. All right, so for me, what I'm looking at here is I've got some momentum to the upside on the daily. I've got a beautiful level of resistance there. The next one is Mubarak. Have a look at this, momentum on the daily, good uptrend. You can actually see the level through here of the highs of those daily candles. Check it out, a beautiful level building into here as well, popping up through there. If I can get convergence, could be a great run further to the upside. Shell, I've got test 1, test 2, a little bit of a bee's dick break there. Why is it a bee's dick break? Because it's little. How big is a bee's dick? It's pretty small. Why do I call it the bee's dick rule? Well, quite simply put, it's probably a rule that you're not going to forget because it's a bee's dick. It is what it is. Anyway, it's a bee's dick break. I'm okay with that. I'm stalking this long. Giga. Okay, another one here, test 1, test 2, test 3. I can drop down to the 1 hour right here and you can see the build up, the higher low. What that is, it's like a pressure cooker. You know, the steam is rising, the water's starting to boil, and at some point, the kettle's going to whistle, the steam's going to rocket out the top, and that's what I'm hoping to see, that build-up of pressure continue here on Giga. I'm waiting to see if I can get a trade for a breakout. Render is up next, jumping back out now. Oh, actually, nah, that's already busted through. Didn't give a third test, so I can take that, get rid of that level, take that out of my list immediately. Reserve roll, RSR, watching this again, jumping up to a 4-hour time frame here. The 2 might suffice as well. Doesn't look too bad. Test 1 over here, test 2, test 3 by a bee's dick once again. Building, I like the look of this as well. This could really go very well if we push above. It's got a couple more things it needs to do, but have a look at the momentum on the daily. Beautiful uptrend with higher lows and higher highs. The level is clear as day on the daily. I'm looking at the 2-hour or the 4-hour for my entry. I love it. And finally, XCN on the lower time frames, beautiful momentum there. As you can see on the daily, jumping down to the 30. Test 1, test 2, needs to build a little bit more. But guys, I wanted to get one out quick for you. Why am I speaking so quick? Well, because these are active breakouts that I am personally stalking. I am stalking these, looking for trades, seeing if I can get a couple of longs to go with some of the other trades that I am in currently. currently with my long on Bitcoin. So yeah, I just wanted to show it to you, share it to you, show the methodology, show the logic that goes into how I trade in a very small set of time. If you want to find out more, do this. Jump on my link in bio. It's a free newsletter that goes out on a Tuesday. Yeah, I don't, it is what it is. It's going to teach you stuff. It's more of this. It's more of helping you to understand the dynamic of how we trade in markets, or personally how I trade and how I have been trading for over 20 years now. Anyway, I hope this finds you well. Tag your mates, give it a like, ask any questions in the comments, and I'll get back to you. Have a ripper of a day. Let's see how these breakouts go. Market's looking pretty tasty. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.